media connection. God damn it. I have to confess, I just made an entire video of this whole thing, and I screw it up by not having my microphone on, so here we go again. Here's my 2015 Dodge Challenger Hellcat. I just got this for shits and giggles. I honestly love it. I couldn't be happier with it. I actually have another one coming because I got tired of waiting for that one, so I bought this one instead, and the color combination is actually better for me. I love the white with the black accents. It's everywhere around the car. This white, it's also especially glossy. I don't know if you can see it here. I love these freaking black wheels with the red brakes. I mean, does it get any better than that? So let me just walk you around the car so you can see it, how massive this thing is. So, just so you guys know, and of course, to sound like a douche, I have an S65, right? This thing is probably as big as the S65, except it's a two-door, 707 horsepower. And even though the Benzo has a ton of horsepower, V12 twin turbo, this thing is way quicker. It just feels like it is. So, you know that we're gonna have to drag race these two sons of bitches and really make sure that I'm right. This thing is sexy. Look at that ass. Look at that. I am probably creeping out everyone that lives here, but whatever. It seems like a fun thing to do. Showing you the outside of this beast. What a monster, dude. So a few things to differentiate or separate the Hellcat from the regular one, since I clearly can't speak English. Two little things. Number one, the Hellcat. That's right there on the door. Two, these beautiful wheels. Number three, this headlight's missing right here, and the reason why for that is so that more air can go into the engine to cool it off. Let me show you the inside. Just to open the door, I of course got a red bright interior. Why? Because I am annoying like that. So here's a little bit of the interior. It honestly, for a car that's $63,000, whatever it was, it's pretty well spec'd. I didn't get any of the options. I have actually no idea what do I have and what I'm missing. But one really cool thing is the cup holder situation here. So you see those two that are right there. You also have one on the door and another one on the other door. Which, by the way, hypercar manufacturers, you should take note. And maybe add a freaking cup holder here and there into your cars. Let me just get in here, close the door, and stop being creepy in the neighborhood. I know you guys want me to start the car, so of course I'll give you that. That's what I'm talking about. Little loud. I mean, I wish you guys could sit here next to me, although probably all three of you watching couldn't fit. It sounds amazing. The car knows that I'm using the red key, so that means I can use all the horsepower. Everything is great inside. I mean, the entertainment system, it's awesome. It's one of the easiest ones I've ever had to learn. I had no problem going from menu to menu and using this, which normally it's a pain in my ass. I'll have to admit, I'm like an 80-year-old, 30-year-old person. I know that doesn't make sense, but trust me. So radio stations are here, then you get your seat controls, which, by the way, you have heated seats, you have ventilated seats, you have a heated steering wheel, you can do a bunch of stuff here. But those things all come in this car, which I don't know why it surprises me. I haven't had one of these muscle cars or American cars ever, so this is a first to me, but I don't know, it surprises me. Climate control is really easy to use, but mostly you want to do that. Why on earth would you battle with that unless you had to like set up something complicated? Your navigation, I honestly haven't used it, but let's take a look at the map. Oh, that's right. So now my location has been discovered, and if I see you guys coming over here and making your YouTube videos, I'll kick your ass. My iPhone's connected to it. Hopefully it doesn't say my phone number. I don't want to get a lot of booty calls from all the hot ladies watching this. Media, who doesn't love a little bit of an iPhone? Well, that is not gonna work here. Sorry, that's probably my fiance's phone. Well, whatever. You guys listen to Taylor Swift too. I don't care. Yeah, so the inside is pretty nice, I think. And give it a little rev. Oh, these fucking thing moves, man. The second you press that gas, the whole car just goes from one side to the other. It's like a freaking boat on steroids and on the ground. Another thing that I found that's kind of interesting, and you guys can tell me I'm crazy or not, you press that SRT button, right? Which takes you to that screen where it allows you to customize however you want to drive the car. So you can put it on track mode, sport mode, you can customize your own mode, or default, right? Which is, I mean, it is what you're seeing. So I was driving with my fiance, and as soon as I got to a big street, I said, you know what, I'm just going to scare it a little bit, and I'm going to put it in sport mode and, you know, throw the car and have the electronic control systems save me. So I put it on sport mode without noticing, because he doesn't make any noises, you can tell that the traction control is dead. Completely dead. They kill it, which is fine as long as you know. So I went on, I accelerated while turning, the car fishtailed like crazy, corrected the car, but I thought the computer saved me, but I got yelled at. So that's basically the end of the story. I just got yelled at. And also, I think that dude that crashed that green Challenger after an hour of picking it up probably put it in sport mode and didn't realize that, you know, traction control's off. You guys know that I love like gimmicky stuff, and it doesn't get any more gimmicky than this. So you have the red key, right, which unloads all the bullcrap horsepower. But my favorite thing about it is you double tap on this. The thing turns on. Because there's nothing better than listening to your own car while you're outside walking towards it. Honestly, can we please get this in more cars? And I'm sorry if this is fascinating to me, but it's blowing my freaking mind. Alright guys, I'm gonna do more videos comparing this to the S65. I know it's a weird comparison, but in a way they're very similar. So let's do that and have more fun on YouTube. Take it easy. Thanks for watching.